Here are 5 investing tips for beginners. Number 1, buying your first stock is like jumping into the deep end of a swimming pool. Yes, it's a little scary the first time, but after you do it once, it's actually really easy thereafter. Number 2, be patient. Investing is all about letting money work for you as opposed to you working for money. This is the power of compound interest, which means you have to put money into the market and wait months and years, and that's where you see the big returns. Number 3, control your emotions. So you don't have to be the smartest person in the room and you don't have to be an expert at math. What helps you become a better investor is if you can control your emotions. So when the market goes up, that's great. And when the market goes down, you're kind of like, no big deal, because we remind ourselves that we're investing in businesses and businesses are always selling products and services that solve problems. So just stay cool, stay calm, and let these businesses do the hard work for us. Number 4, ask why. So if somebody comes up to you or if you see something on social media about buying a stock, the last thing you should do is buy that stock. The first thing you should do is ask why. I do this all the time with people when they come up to me and say, hey, Sean, there's this new hot tech stock I heard of that's going to 1,000% over the next year. Right away, my first response is, why? In most cases, they can't give a response that even makes sense. So use that to your advantage. Somebody says something about buying a stock, always ask why. And number 5, this is a shameless plug, use Tykr. So I love using Tykr to cut through the clutter. And really relating to that point number 4, if somebody says I should buy a stock or if I see something on YouTube or hear something on a podcast, I always go over to Tykr, find out the truth. Is this a good business, an on-sale business, or is this a business I should avoid, which would be overpriced? So there you go. There are 5 investing tips for beginners. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn more about investing, check out Tykr.com. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.